Hello, third graders. Okay, so you made it through all the other slides with watching the video, doing the short answer question, and now we're ready to build our vocabulary knowledge. So the two vocab words that we're going to focus on um, for when I read brave is going to be grit. So grit is our first one. So if you could say it with me, grit. Grit means having the courage, so being brave or having that courage and that strength to stand up for what you believe in, or that courage to climb that huge mountain, or endurance during a difficult time. So, endurance means having the willpower to keep on going even though it's really, really hard and it's going to be difficult. So, an example of grit is we are showing grit during this difficult time of COVID 19. Our second vocab word that we're going to focus on as I read brave is immigrant. So say it with me. Immigrant. So immigrant means someone who traveled to a foreign country to live. So like my ancestors, so my great great grandmother, she immigrated from the country Spain. So that's why my last name is Villarreal, because it comes from Spain. That's its origin. That's where it began. So immigrant. So someone who travels to a foreign country to live and make a living. So these are our two vocab words that we're going to focus on today as I read brave, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and on the next slide you're going to, let me show you. On this slide, you are going to choose one of the two words to type your own sentence. Okay, so you're going to have to come up with a sentence either for grit or a sentence for immigrant. Okay, all right, I'll see you later on when I read brave and other videos. Okay, keep up the hard work. I'll talk to you soon.